In the context of business enterprise application development, the architect must act as a bridge between the business and technology communities of an organization. The architect should do this by representing and protecting the interests of each party, often mediating between them two and allowing the business to drive. The business organization's objectives and operating realities should be the light in which the architect leads technology-oriented decision making. Businesses routinely plan for and articulate a specific and desired return on investment, also known as ROI, before undertaking a software development initiative. The architect must understand the desired ROI and by implication the limits of the value of the software initiative to the business so as to avoid making technology decisions that could cause the opportunity to be outspent. The ROI should serve as a major piece of objective context in the give and take conversations of the business about the value of a feature and versus the cost of delivering that feature with the development team about the technical design and implementation. For example, the architects must be careful to represent the interests of the business development team by not agreeing to choose technology that has unacceptably costly licensing and support cost implications when the software is deployed into testing or production. Part of the challenge of letting the business drive is providing enough quality information about the ongoing software development effort back into the business to support good business decision making. That is where transparency becomes crucial. The architect, in conjunction with the development management, must create and nurture the means for regular ongoing information feedback loops. This can be accomplished by a variety of lean software techniques like big visible charts, continuous integration, frequent releases of working software to the business starting yearly. The software development is fundamentally a design activity. In it, it involves an ongoing process of decision making until the developed system goes into production. It is appropriate for software developers to make many decisions, but usually not to make business decisions. The extent to which business community fails to fulfill its responsibility to provide direction, to answer questions, and to make business decisions, it is actually delegating the business decision making to software developers. The architect must provide the macro context for this ongoing series of micro decisions made by the developers by communicating and protecting the software architecture and business objectives, and must seek to ensure that developers do not make business decisions. Technical decision making that is untethered to commitments, expectations, and realities as articulated by business community on an ongoing basis amounts to costly speculation and often results in unjustifiable expenditure of scarce resources. The long-term interests of a software development team is best served when the business drives. And finally, remember, it is always the business that drives.